Welcome back to my new video, and in this video I'm going to make you understand exactly which strategy you need to use in order to make profitable trades. So watch this video very carefully. So unlike other YouTube channels where they show you uh, any kind of indicator and strategy, and in all of their most of their video they show different kind of strategy, and you start to use those strategy and it doesn't work for a very long time. So you need a strategy that works time to time, and also you need the mindset. That is extremely important, okay, in order to make the profitable trade. So if you are really interested in making profitable trade for long term while trading binary options, especially inside pocket options, then do watch this video. Of course, I do provide you copy trading service where you can directly copy my trades automatically into your account, which you can get access by joining my free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description and in the first comment of this YouTube video. Firstly, I want you to show you some of my results. As you can see here, the strategy that we are using, I just suggest you to watch these top videos, okay? That is at here. So if you can pause and see, or you can zoom it, okay? Here you can see all of the candles are, these are all trades are made in 1 minute time frame, okay? And in non-OTC pair. So here you can see all of the candles are green. So these trades are already copied by the VIP copy trader who are inside my Telegram channel. And the profit that I have made is also made by those traders who have copied me, okay? And you can copy anywhere from $2 to $200 while copying my trades, even though I make $200 per trade. You can set a few percentage and then it's okay. Like if we make $2 per trade, you can copy $10 per trade. So as you can see here, all of these are green and we have made a trade, we made profit. All of these are red, we have made a trade, we have made profit. Here you can see all of these are red, we have made profit. All of these are red, we have made profit. Or maybe in some we have also made loss, okay? Now it is not a 100% accurate strategy, but most of the time it works. If you see these of our thoughts, then you will understand it very clearly. Of course, there you need, while using this strategy, you need to be extremely patient. And patient, you need to have extremely patience, okay, so that you can wait for these kind of entry points like all red, all red, all green, all red, and then there comes another layer of thing that you need to understand. Like if there is any kind of signal like chart pattern or candlestick pattern, you need to observe that also. But if you are beginner, then you don't need to think that much, you just need to trade less with the strategy that I am showing you, okay? So like we make we do one session per day, okay, from Monday to Friday. We do not over trade. Like we make 3 trades and that's all. We do not make more than 3 trades or less than 3 trades per day. Even though we make loss, we stop trading for that day. If we do not find this kind of entry point while waiting for hours, then we even not trade for that day. That also we do, okay? So our trades are extremely precise. And if I show you, we should, here you can see, here I can see in 5 second time frame our entry point have shown at here, and we have made a trade and we have made profit. All of these are red, right? And we made a trade and we made profit. So you need to understand this basic concept and focus fully on making trade when you see the market is either falling in this way or it is moving up straightly. So if you see here, if you, let's say you have arrived at this point and you have made trade, then you could have made profit. But at one point it comes and it will start to reverse, right? At that time your trade could go wrong. So that is the risk you need to be willing to take. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do like this video and do comment below.